The goal of investing is to increase wealth, and one of the best ways to do it is to generate passive income. Passive income, in simpler terms, is the process of making your money work for you by investing in assets like NFTs. Are you astonished that NFTs and passive income are viewed in the same light? You're not the only one who feels this way. While NFTs are now in high demand, they are not the only way to earn. The truth is that blockchain-based assets such as NFTs can create passive income in multiple ways, thanks to concepts borrowed from traditional assets like bank deposits and real estate. We'll go over the basics of making passive income using NFTs in this video. That means no market timing, nervously watching floor pricing, or any of the other considerations that must be made when watching and trading NFTs for profit. Before we get started, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to be notified when new videos are posted. So without further ado, let's get this ball rolling. Firstly, let's start with the question of how NFT works. A non-fungible token, or NFT, is a one-of-a-kind way to own digital goods like art, music, literature, and even tweets. NFTs are valuable because they are irreplaceable. You can, for example, exchange one Bitcoin for another to get the same thing, a Bitcoin. You can't expect to get the same NFT if you exchange one for another. They will be different. The majority of significant NFTs, such as Bored Ape Yacht Club collection, are stored on the Ethereum blockchain. As a result, payment and fees are handled using ETH, an Ethereum native coin. Furthermore, because NFTs are assets, their value can change depending on a variety of factors, the most important of which is what someone else is willing to pay for them, comparable to the value of a work of art or a footballer. As a result, NFT trading has become a popular money-making strategy. NFTs have been sold for as much as $69.3 million in some cases. NFT trading, on the other hand, is prohibitively expensive due to Ethereum's excessive gas rates. So let's jump in and learn all about how to generate passive income opportunities in NFT world. Number 1. Rent out NFTs. It's quite acceptable for you to keep your non-fungible token. Why? Because there will be those who need access to your NFTs but are unwilling to pay for them. This opens up the possibility of earning extra passive income from your NFTs without having to sell them. A number of card trading games allow players to borrow NFT cards in order to improve their odds of winning. Smart contracts, as you might guess, deal with the details of the transaction between the two parties. As a result, NFT customers often have control over the length of the rental agreement as well as the NFT leasing charge. ReNFT is an excellent resource for renting or lending NFTs. Lenders have the option of setting the maximum loan term and daily interest rate, which currently ranges from 0.002 to 2 Ethereum. The rental price can be determined by how much you believe it is worth and how much the other party is ready to pay. Before the NFT may be released, the borrower may make the agreed upon payment. Smart contracts are designed to keep track of the conditions of a contract between two parties. As a result, NFT customers can choose the length of their lease and the price of their NFT rental. Number 2. NFT royalties. Even after selling their masterpieces to collectors, the creators can continue to generate passive income. The following is a step-by-step guide to the technique. Rather than selling your NFT to another client for a one-time fee, the Creator Share feature allows you to earn a share of any further NFT sales. As a result, a share of the sale price of the NFT you generated will continue to be paid to you. To be honest, it's nearly hard to predict how much the NFT will be worth in the future. Imagine how Beeple's JPEG shareholders felt when it was sold for $69 million only a few months ago. This is only one example of how the NFT industry is booming and people are profiting from it. Indeed, the numbers can be rather shocking. Royalties are paid out automatically when the NFT is sold, thanks to smart contracts. What a simple method to earn money while you sleep. Importantly, smart contracts control the entire royalties distribution process. That is the self-executing computer program that enforce contractual agreements. There's no need for authors to manually enforce royalty regulations or track payments because the process is totally automated. One of the most efficient and simple ways to generate passive money flow is to use the Creator Share option off the site where you're selling your NFT. Nothing, on the other hand, beats making money every time an asset is sold to a new owner. It's what every person who wants to make money online fantasizes about. This feature, however, isn't available on all computers. You could want to look into using a platform like Zora, which allows you to earn royalties by enabling the Creator Share feature. Number 3. Stake NFTs. Rare assets can be staked on the NFT blockchain technology via a smart contract to generate interest on their value. Staking is widely regarded as one of the safest, most rewarding, and least risky ways to generate passive income in the cryptocurrency market, but always be wary of scammers. The staking platform can calculate the value and annual percentage rate of an NFT when you stake it, or APR. Originality and the ability to generate a constant source of income, such as royalties, and more investors will influence the value of NFTs. These platforms are frequently decentralized, so your assets should be protected until you're ready to release them. Make sure to perform your own due diligence and make sure the smart contracts are audited. While some platforms accept a variety of NFTs, others require you to purchase native NFTs in order to receive staking token incentives, which are typically priced in the platform's native utility token. Number 4. Provide liquidity to earn NFTs. You can earn LP tokens by giving liquidity to liquidity pools. Cross-chain Bridge version 2.0, for example, provides an incentive for liquidity because pools are single-asset liquidity pools. You can use TXL, USDC, USDT, or any other cryptocurrency listed on the platform to generate passive income. Staking your LP tokens for a liquidity mining pool for which you already offer liquidity earns you more tokens. Contribute liquidity to the linking TXL liquidity mining pool to earn extra TXL. When your liquidity mining pool tokens are staked, the higher your APR, the more people who bridge the asset you offer liquidity for. Number 5. Adopt NFT-powered yield farming. You can use your LP tokens to stake in a farm if the asset you're investing in has one. Farms in the example above have multipliers and are rewarded with the Bridge Farm token, which is issued per block. The Bridge tokens you receive from the farms can be used in one of two ways. 1. You can join a liquidity pool and earn more passive income, or 2. You can sell them on a DEX for a one-time profit. You will be awarded with TXL if you put your Bridge into the TXL reward pool. For example, when a user withdraws Bridge from a reward pool, they must pay a withdrawal charge. This expense is intended to burn Bridge and will be used to incentivize long-term staking. Number 6. NFT license fees. When NFTs are sold in the secondary market, the basic technology that supports them allows developers to add royalties to their NFTs. However, you can continue to participate in the pricing of NFTs indefinitely. If the licensing cost for a digital piece of art is set at 10%, the original artist will receive 10% of the total sale price whenever the work is resold to a new owner. Keep in mind that authors frequently use preset percentages when entering NFTs. Furthermore, smart contracts are in charge of the entire licensing process. There's no need for you, the creator, to manually apply your licensing limitations or track payments because the process is totally automated. NFTs are springing up all over the place, promising to make tens of thousands of investors and holders rich. Consider how much money you could make from NFTs and other currencies based on blockchain technology breakthrough in a few years. By the end of 2021, the NFT market was predicted to reach $17.7 billion, meaning that passive income opportunities would grow even further. To put it another way, NFTs are here to stay, and interest in them isn't likely to wane very soon. As more people become aware of NFTs, there will be more opportunities to profit passively from them, not only in the ways that are described in this video, but also in ways that will be significant in the not-too-distant future. We've reached the end of this video. Perhaps you've learned something new? Please subscribe, like, and click the notification button to be notified when I upload a new video. For the time being, I'm going to say goodbye.